guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Myeshia Shantal. If you're new, thank you so much for tuning in. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button below and turn on your post notifications. But if you're returning, thank you so much for your unconditional support because you are a real one. Excuse the noise, the little beeping noise that's going off in my apartment right now. It's with the fire extinguishers, whatever. So today's video was going to be about basically me starting, well, how I'm starting my own lip gloss and lip scrub cosmetic line. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my lip glosses, and I will, well, before that, my lip gloss line has not officially launched. It launches December the 23rd at 9 a.m. That's my mom's birthday, and my mom passed away in 2015, so I just want to, you know, launch it on, like, because I was going to do a New Year, Christmas Eve, but then I was just like, my mom's birthday is the day before Christmas Eve. Why not launch it then? So it just clicked in my head. But yes, make sure you follow my business page at Viva La Beauty _cosmetics. I will drop it down in the description. I will drop it down in the description below for you guys. And so yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna show y'all how to make some bomb ass lip gloss. Okay, so I'm just gonna take you over to my kitchen setup. So right now I am in my kitchen, and before you even start, just make sure the area is that you bleached it and you sanitized it. And I already did that, and I don't know why I didn't record while I was doing it. And also just make sure you have all your necessary items. But these, let me see, this is my tube. I know a lot of people got this tube, but I don't care. I love this tube so much. And of course it came, and so this is how it's, like a pink shimmery look. This is it. And then the gloss, this is 7 milliliters, and I do have the stoppers over there, but I really love this tube so much. And I will be adding more products to my cosmetic line in the future, and I will be adding more shades, but right now I'm only going to have 4 shades. Clear, rosemary, well, the clear is going to be called Chanel. Rosemary is going to be, it goes on clear, but it has a slight red tint to it, like reddish pink to it, but in the tube it will look more pinkish. And then of course I have Scarlet, which is going to be red. And then I have, oh my gosh, what is my pink one called? I don't know what my pink one is called right now, but I will have a pink one. So yeah, let's just get right to it. So I'm starting off by pouring some of my Versagel into one of my containers that I will be using today. Since I am making 4 different colors, I'm using 4 separate containers for these colors. And you want to divide the Versagel proportionally, so you don't have too much or too less. And you just keep pouring, and then next you will add your favorite type of oil. Me, preferably for my Scarlet and Chanel lip gloss, I will be adding sweet almond oil and also coconut oil, but it will be fractionated because on my website I am doing organic, so it's natural and organic. And you just start whipping it up, and you gotta have that wrist work, like, and then every time you just add more and more oil to get that consistency, to get that texture that you want it to be, and you just keep whipping it. You gotta have the flick of the wrist for this, okay? And now I'm finished with the Chanel. I got it the way I wanted. The texture is amazing, the consistency. And then I'm just adding some vanilla and strawberry flavoring on to give it that smell. Y'all, when I tell y'all this lip gloss smells so good, it's like the perfect scent. And you just keep whipping it up, and that's Chanel. And so now I use the same ingredients for Scarlet. Instead, I just added some red color to it, and I added 3 drops, and you know, I'm mixing it up already. Flick it at the wrist. And do you guys see that texture? Do you see that consistency? It's not sticky and it's not oily. And after that, I just put all my lip glosses in a sink and I just wash them and let them sit at least 5 to 10 minutes so it can get the stickiness off that I used when I was using the gloves and stuff. But yeah, that's how y'all make y'all lip gloss, guys. Chanel, which is clear, Rosemary, which is, it has like a red tint to it, and then I have Barbie Dreams, that's my pink one, and then Scarlet is my burgundy red one. And I completed all of them. So I started out with 50 tubes, 51 tubes, and I still have a bag of Versagel left. I did all 50 tubes with just one bag of the 5-ounce Versagel because my tubes are like I said before, they were 7 milliliters, and the Versagel, it says it can fit at least 23 to 25 tubes of 10 milliliters, so it worked out in my favor. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel, and I will be uploading more lip gloss videos, so just make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more lip gloss stuff, and actually comment below, tell me how I did, and then excuse me, my throat is a little whatever. And also subscribe to my channel, and make sure you guys are following my cosmetic line Instagram. It's Viva La Beauty _cosmetics. In the description is it will be in the description below as well. Alrighty, see you guys next time.